Hello friends, welcome to my channel Scientist Words. I am your friend Ashwin. Today we're going to discuss about how to register for the GRE exam with the exam fees explained in this video. Let's dive in. Imagine showing up a movie theater only to find out that all the tickets are sold out. That's what happens if you wait too long to register for the GRE. Early registration ensures you get your ideal test date and location. Plus, it gives you a deadline to motivate your study plan. Procrastination is not your friend here. You must secure your preferred test date and location as early as possible. It will help you to avoid last-minute stress and also helps you to build your study schedule around your test date. The first step is heading over to the ETS website. It's like booking tickets for a concert, except instead of seeing Beyonce, you're signing up for hours of brain gymnastics. If you don't already have an ETS account, you will need to create one. Pro tip: use an email address you actually check because ETS loves sending updates. You can have an option to choose between computer-based or paper-based testing. It's up to you to choose whichever you want. Although computer-based is universally available and is easy accessible on your preferred date. Registering for the GRE is like ordering pizza online. It's straightforward if you follow the steps. Log in, pick a test center near you, choose a date that works with your schedule, and pay up. Once done, you will get an email confirmation, your golden ticket to the GRE glory. Here is a step-by-step registration guide. First, log in to your ETS account, select Register, find test centers, pick your preferred test date and location. Pay the registration fee. More on this later in this video, and receive confirmation via email. Let's talk money. The GRE costs around $220 in most countries. Think of it as an investment in your future. But beware of extra fees. Rescheduling or changing your test center will cost you $50 each time. So choose wisely. And if you're applying to more than 4 schools, budget an extra $27 per school for school reports. Ouch. Good news, if you are tight on cash, ETS offers a fee reduction program that slashes the registration fee by half. If you qualify based on financial need or a part of specific programs like NAS scholars, this can be a lifesaver. Check ETS website for details. You might just save enough for celebratory snacks after the test. There are some coupons sites available online where you can find some discount codes periodically, which you can use that in while booking your GRE. You can get around like 10 to 20% off of the whole price. Before diving into the registration, gather your essentials: a valid ID, your library card won't cut it, a credit or debit card, and maybe even a list of schools where you want course sent for free during registration. Think of it as a packing for a trip. You don't want to forget anything important. Some people hate commuting. Good news, you can take the GRE from home. Just make sure your setup meets ETS requirements. A quiet room without interruptions. Yes, that means no barking dogs or nosy roommates. And remember, someone will be watching via webcam, so no cheating or wearing pajamas holds. If you caught cheating, you will be banned for life. So make sure don't cheat. Think of registering early as grabbing front row seats at a concert. It ensures you get prime options before they sell out. Aim to register 2 to 3 months ahead of time, so you're not stuck taking the test at 7 AM on a Monday in another city because everything else was booked. Early registration is always the better choice for dates and locations. So once you have registered, pay yourself pat yourself on the back. You're officially on Team GRE. Now it's time to get serious about studying and learn all those pesky rules about what you can and can't bring on test day. Spoiler alert, snacks are allowed but phones are not. And always familiarize yourself with test day rules and procedures on the ETS website periodically because they might update over time. Want a smooth registration experience? First thing first, make sure your name matches your ID exactly. Otherwise, testing day could turn into an identity crisis. Also, keep backup payment methods handy because nothing ruins the mood like a declined credit card at checkout. Please double check your name matches your ID exactly. No nicknames. And that's everything you need to know about registering for the GRE. Remember, registering early isn't just smart, it's essential. If you want everything to go smoothly on the test day, now go forth and conquer the registration process like the future grad school superstar you are. Good luck, you got this. Thank you very much for watching this video on how to register for the GRE with the GRE exam fees explained. Planning ahead and understanding the registration process can save your time, stress and unexpected cost. So please register early, know the fees and be prepared for any additional expenses based on your testing location or needs. A smooth start leads to a strong finish. Stay organized, stay focused, you are on the right track. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.